It's week 1 of Hobbii Time. Hobbii Time is the Elmo onesie extravaganza. Let's open. So Hobbii is a Danish company. You receive 4 weeks of gifts that you are to open on the Sundays in December. So we are going to do week number 1. I'm refilming some of this because of the glare, so I did just open it, but we're gonna do it proper. So week number 1, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a breakdown of the costs of everything that I found on their website, and we're gonna see the end of week 4's opening if we think it's good value. $111 in US funds, which gives it free shipping from Denmark. It took me approximately 2 weeks to get it, and I had to pay taxes in my home province, plus I had to do the exchange from US to Canadian funds, so it was significantly more. Already I was like, but it's Christmas, I'm worth it. Okay, so the first thing we received in weeks 1 is this garment, little organized, not really a garment, what am I doing? It's a little bag to put your notions in. It's quite cute. Kind of corduroy situation going on. Nice little zipper. It is just called an organizer. So I will put prices up as we go, and then we'll do the total at the end of this segment. I got some Hobbii stitch stoppers. These feel like they're foam. So this is something, there's a set of 6. This is something you would put on in the end of your knitting needles, just to, if you're gonna put them in a bag. I got a fish binder clip jumbo in a rose color. I don't know what you use this for exactly. It's a binder clip. I also got not a lot of yarn, friends. Cute little bag that says pom-pom. And there is a pom-pom gadgety thing to make pom-poms. And I got 1 ball of yarn, just 1. So I'm interested to see what the pattern's gonna be. Pearly haze. Pearly haze. This is 73% viscose, 27% wool. It is 4 medium weight. 5mm knitting needle, 6mm or USJ hook. 120 yards, 110 meters. So not a very big project for this. With the pom-poms, I'm not sure what that is that we're gonna make. So we're gonna do the breakdown of all this and we'll find out how much it is. So far, then you're going to see the pattern of what it is they suggest you make with this. Of course, you don't have to make it, but it comes with the QR code. Of course, I don't know what happened to that card. It comes with the QR code that you scan, and week 1. Santa, I'm gonna need a Swift. Just saying. It's in my Amazon wish list, Santa. I'm making it really easy for you. I got it. I got it. Why is this so hard for me? I don't have any patience for this. I cannot do this by hand going forward. Embarrassing. You have been through so much. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry.
For a moment, we can make the darkness cease. For Christmas, I just want a little peace.